The Dog and Cat Friendship Story. Tom Dog and Kitty Cat lived in Sam's home. Sam liked them both very much. But Tom and Kitty always quarreled with each other. Tom barked at Kitty whenever he saw her. One night, a robber came to Sam's home. Tom started to bark loudly. Suddenly, the robber took a stick and moved forward to beat Tom. Kitty was watching this. "Oh no, the robber will harm Tom and Sam," she thought. Tom ran to the robber and scratched his legs hard. The robber screamed in pain. Tom barked loudly. Sam and his father came out and caught the robber. Tom thanked Kitty for saving her from the robber. Then they both became good friends. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.